Today's practical training has the theme of Thai Sea Bream Sashimi. This lesson includes a review of previous cooking practice and aims to level up from the basics to more advanced skills. Each student will use one whole Thai to practice preparing beautiful sashimi on their own. Students can acquire delicate finishing techniques. There is something that our instructors at Kyoto Culinary Art College always convey to the students. It is to handle ingredients with love and to understand the overall process of cooking in order to finalize the dish. We advise them to specifically envision what kind of dish their cooking will ultimately become. At our school, students can study and gain experience in a wide range of subjects, from basic skills to applied techniques. Students prepare to demonstrate their ability in the appropriate situations, challenging themselves in every class. Today, I was able to acquire a new skill again. I learned a cooking method called Matsukawa-zukuri that is used for fish with a flavorful skin like that of SeaBream. We use boiling water, but the amount and balance are also important. I'm glad that I was able to succeed this time by utilizing the experience from my previous failure, including managing the heat. I believe that from now on, this has become a part of my knowledge and skills. The more I experience cooking practice, the more I realize that my skills in handling fish are improving. I understand that it is also important to regularly sharpen my knives and be well prepared. When things go well, cooking becomes an enjoyable activity. At this school, you can focus on learning the basics. For example, we can quickly respond to requests, like filleting fish or finely chopping daikon for garnishing. I believe that it is precisely because of this school that one can acquire a wide range of knowledge and skills from the basics to advanced applications. I believe it will be useful in the future. I want to work at a traditional Japanese restaurant in the future, eventually become independent, and open my own Japanese cuisine restaurant. I want to make use of my background. The difficult part of rotary cutting is peeling it thinly, long, and evenly. It's also important to operate the knife steadily. I feel that it's very difficult to pay attention to that. When I can peel a radish beautifully for a long time, it makes me feel very happy. Based on such skills, I will also be able to arrange sashimi beautifully. That moment is very enjoyable. How to arrange sashimi. The height or depth when plating fish compared to usual. It's important to consider the colors and beautifully finish the entire plate. If done well, the sense of accomplishment is very rewarding. What I learned at this school consists of basic knowledge and skills. So I believe that when I graduate as a professional chef in the future, the knowledge and skills I gained here will become my foundation and will connect to the dishes I actually serve to customers. It's difficult to completely remove all the scales from the processed fish. When the knife hits the bones, it makes a special sound, so I think if I rely on that sound to guide the knife, I won't make a mistake. It's important to properly understand each step of the process, as well as the knowledge and skills learned at school. I hope that the students will be able to apply what they have learned in the future. It's also important to build good relationships with those around you. As a chef, I hope you value communication as much as your skills and knowledge. Thank you for watching the video from the Kyoto Culinary Art College. If you have any inquiries, we are always here to help.